Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, things are going well for Utirelo, things are just going well for her. Yazini nje emjolweni wakhe nje, things are just cruising, and I thought maybe like she felt a little bit of remorse or something, or she felt for Uvuyukazi, when she was questioning Umpumelelo ukuthi, is this how you speak to people? Like, why do you speak to her like that? Why are you disrespecting her and all sorts of things? I felt like, okay, maybe she is seeing the light, maybe she is finally seeing Umpumelelo from like for what he is, right? But by the look of things, son, I'm really not sure now what he was Utirelo pretending or what. I don't know, guys. Yabana, this girl, Sham, she is gone. She is a gone girl. Guys, this is the recent picture that she posted on her Instagram. Look at how she is looking at Umpumelelo. Look at how she is. Look at that smile, guys. Yes, I know a gone girl when I see one. This one is a gone girl. Yes, this one is a gone girl. And once you become a gone girl, guys, whatever your person says is correct. This is also the recent picture that she posted. So I don't know what was happening here, but look at her face, guys. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. She is glowing, Jamu girl. You can see that she is happy. I thought maybe like Nhlambe, guys, but yeah, this doesn't mean Gutiana and Mpumelelo they must not be happy, It doesn't mean Guti because Mpumelelo is fighting with Uvuyukazi, she mustn't be happy. She really has a right to enjoy umjolo wake regardless of what is happening within umjolo wake, Kodwa nje, she is happy, she is a gone girl, and we love that for her, man. We love that for her. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like this video. I will see you on my next one.